So now let's see how we can work around with the gradient adjustment layer inside a Photopea. So here you can see that I have an image, and in order to apply the gradient map right here, I need to go around over here onto a, let's say, new adjustment layer, just like this, and then you need to go to gradient map right here. So by default, you can see that there is black to white, and the darkest area is affected by this color. It's replaced by this color, and the brightest area is replaced by this color. You can go ahead and reverse this out as well, as you can see right here. And you can choose different gradient maps as you want, and you can reverse them out as well, just like this. So there are the different gradient colors, and the leftmost affects the darkmost area, while the rightmost affects the whitemost area. And then this is what you have. I can go ahead onto the gradient map right here, and then I can go around onto, let's say, for example, the brush, and I can simply erase off the part that I don't want, because this is actually applied as a mask right here, just like this. So apart from that, you can also go around and then utilize a threshold map as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here and then add in a threshold map right here. So let me just go around, disable the gradient map for a while, and in the threshold, as you can see, you can change around the threshold of the black and white as well. And on top of it, you can go around and have the gradient map right here. Let me just go around and then get back the mask right here. So let's just go ahead and change out the colors, and you can see that the darkmost area is now replaced by blue and the brightmost area by yellow right here. And since there is no midtones right here, everything is black, as you can see right here. It just has the darkest most color and the brightest most color right here, just like that. And that is how you can work around with threshold and gradient map adjustment layers inside a Photopea. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.